In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Nano Banana API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to manage and copy your key safely so you can plug it into your Nano Banana integrations with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google AI Studio. This is the dashboard you'll use to generate and manage the key that Nano Banana will accept. In the search results, click through to Google AI Studio to open the official site. If you're prompted to sign in, continue with your usual account. Once you're in, look for the Get API Key option and click it. That takes you straight to the API Keys area where all your existing keys appear and where you'll create a new one. Here, choose Create API Key. This begins a quick setup flow. You'll be asked to name your key. Pick a clear, memorable label so you'll always know where it's being used. Something like a project name plus environment works well. After naming it, click Create. Your key is generated immediately and appears in the list. Next to your new key, you'll see a menu represented by 3 dots. Click that to find handy management options such as rename and delete. Renaming is helpful if your conventions change or a key's purpose evolves. Deleting is what you'll use to rotate a compromised or unused key. Be sure to remove a key only after you've updated any apps or services that rely on it to prevent outages. To understand how your key is being used, click the small bar chart icon beside it. This view shows usage details so you can monitor request volume and spot unusual activity. Regularly checking this helps you catch configuration issues early and stay within any limits. For cost visibility, switch to the paid view to review spend associated with your key. Keeping an eye on this page is a good habit, especially on shared projects or when you expect traffic to grow. When you're ready to connect with Nano Banana, click the copy button next to your key. Paste it into the Nano Banana setup or configuration field wherever the platform asks for your API key. Treat this value like a password. Never share it publicly, avoid including it in screenshots or code commits, and store it securely in a secrets manager or environment variable. That's it. You searched for Google AI Studio, opened it, grabbed an API key, named it, reviewed your management options, checked usage and spend, and copied the key for Nano Banana. Thanks for watching and happy building.